Yes, sir. It's that day today. I had to go ahead and kidnap this real quick. Don't say nothing. We got some heat, bro. Y'all already saw the title. There's no need to sugarcoat it. My girl hit on the BOGO, and I'm gonna show it to y'all respectfully. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. If you got one of these in hand, let me know how you're feeling about it. I still haven't seen it. Hopefully, there's some Burberry stickers in here. I'm low-key just hoping for the best. Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one I'm gonna show y'all the box logo from Supreme and Burberry. My girl luckily picked up one, and hey, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more streetwear or sneaker content. Yo, we on road to 20,000 subscribers. Go down there right now and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. We got more heat on the way, but with all that being said, let's get straight to it. Let's go ahead. And there you got the box logo. Damn, you can't even see what it looks like yet. They did actually send some stuff, so let's see what's up with it. Oh shit, they sent the special sticker. That's hard. It's a little bent, but we could figure that out. They actually sent the sticker. That's so fire in the pink color. This is a clean ass Supreme sticker. It is a little bent, but I could figure that out low key. The back of it has that Burberry horse with the Supreme branding. Definitely clean. Low key, the set of both stickers is going for $40 on StockX. What? We gonna go over it in a little bit when I hop on the green screen. But yeah, we got two stickers. They did send over the Supreme Smarties. And last but not least, you got the Burberry box logo in all its glory. I'm not gonna sit here and bullshit y'all. This was probably my least favorite color, simply because the gray one was body, and let's not even talk about the black one. Seeing this shit in hand is a whole different story. Right here we got the Burberry box logo. This one is beautiful. I love the way that the pink looks on it. Honestly, looks way better in hand than it did in pictures. If you are trying to legit check this, because people are probably gonna make some type of fakes from these, just take a look at the pattern and the way that the letters are aligned with each other. I don't know if the pattern is gonna be the same on this as it is on every other piece that they're gonna make. Pattern in itself could vary, but just try to make sure the letters are aligned with each other. They should never be touching, but they should be close. If you see the E right here and the R, they're not completely touching, but they are close to each other, as well as right here. They never connect, they are close though. Look at the distance between the edge of the logo on the top bottom. It's almost like centered. As far as the Burberry pattern on it, try to go ahead and compare this to what's on Supreme Community, and honestly compare it to other YouTube videos as well, because if you look at the way that the pattern is behind the Supreme logo, it could very much vary depending on the piece that it's on. I'm actually interested in seeing if it's basically the same print behind the Supreme letters or if it's changing depending on the sweater. The very first thing I noticed was the Burberry Supreme tag. It basically just says Burberry London, England with the Supreme box logo under it. When you open this, it doesn't have anything, but it almost looks like Burberry does a watermark stamp to legit check. Maybe I'm mistaken, but I would keep this if you plan on selling in the future. On the back of it, same thing, Burberry Supreme. The tag should read Burberry on both sides, and then once you open up the sweater, it's literally just a Supreme sweater with a box logo on it, bro. This one has a pink Supreme tab on the side of it. Each Supreme hoodie has the little tab on it, and this one is in pink. It should be on your left hand side. The Burberry Supreme tags, the front of it just says Burberry London, England, Supreme box logo under it. Then the back has the size on it, made in Canada tag right there, and behind it is the RN code. If you're trying to legit check it, these are all little things you want to look at. Tag, RN code, make sure the numbers match, make sure everything is clear, because on fakes, those are the little things that they mess up on normally. So yeah, just check everything, make sure you know what you're getting into. If it's too cheap, it's not real. That was the Burberry box logo, man. Let me know what y'all thought about it in the comments below. Leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. The back of this hoodie is plain, so it literally just reads the Supreme Burberry on the front. Let me know what you guys think about this sweater. Honestly, this is like a 8.89 out of 10 for me. The only thing that's not making it a 10 is the fact that I wasn't able to cop for the personal.
What more do you want from me?
I think this shit is fire. I'm tempted to try it on right now. It's a medium, yes, but your boy has lost too much weight. So this is what it looks like on. This is a size medium. Honestly, I didn't even think this shit was gonna fit me. I am like 170 at this point, and hey, I honestly ain't even think this shit was gonna fit me, but it did. It's a little bit on the tighter side. I would honestly still go with a large because I do like roomier sweaters. But yeah, bro, if y'all see my videos from like 2 years ago or like a year and a half ago, this is fucking crazy. A medium is fitting me big. I was an XL, double XL, literally having to stretch my Supreme hoodies in order to fit in them. And the fact that I could wear a medium loosely, almost damn near, like, bruh, hey, you feel me? So I had to come back and film this clip. I don't know how I ended this video without talking about the fact that this Burberry box logo goes perfectly with the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Like, bro, come on. The Supreme Burberry and the Travis 1s with the brown. Ooh, this shit is cold. Yeah, come on, these are hard. With this and the pink laces, phenomenal, bro. It's the mega hype beast fit that you never even knew you needed. A white tee, some cream pants, this, and then the box logo on top, ever so subtly killing the game. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this sweater. I am gonna hop on the green screen and just show y'all what these are going for currently and what the Supreme Burberry is looking like in general. All right, so we got the tees. The lowest ask for the white one is $340, which isn't terrible. The black one is $290. Lowest ask for the black hoodies $480. $560 for the gray one. I knew this one was a banger from the jump, bro. This one in my size is going for $627. Damn, that is kind of steep. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The gray and the black go hard, and honestly, this pink one grew on me a lot. In person, it looks so much cleaner. Size medium, the pink one is going for $455, which isn't bad, to be honest. I feel like this is one of those pieces that is gonna go up in the future. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, looks clean, especially in person. I'm feeling the tone of pink. It's like a really soft, almost like a pastel pink fire piece, and I feel like it has potential for sure. You got the denim trucker, which is going for a rack. Like, what the f is going on, bro? The blue one is going for $950. You even got the box logo stickers reselling for $35. This down puffer is literally $1,200. Pink jacket's $800. These pieces went crazy, like crazy, bro. Yo, am I tripping, or why is this shit so high? Like, I don't understand. Like, I guess some of these pieces are cool, yeah, I get it, but that price, bro, like everything is almost like $1,000, $800, $700. We do got the skate decks. You could pick up both for $470. Honestly, these are a piece that I do regret not going for, simply because it looks fire, and I feel like it has that little bit of spice to it for a skate deck, especially if you're gonna put it on your wall or even skate this bitch, to be honest. That's pretty much resale prices for the Supreme Burberry collection, at least while I'm recording this. I know if you're watching this video in a couple months, prices might vary. For right now, it's looking like it's gonna have some potential. I definitely feel like these box logos are gonna be better than the ones that just drop on the regular, because it has a collaboration tied to it. It is Burberry, and I think they're solid. Let me know what was your favorite color. Also, let me know if you guys did cook up in the comments below. Leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Come on, bro, I'm bringing y'all every other day heat type shit, so subscribe to the channel. We managed to touch the box logo. Shout out to Bay for cooking it up manually in the pink color, size medium. Let me know if y'all cooked up in the comments below. I'm still waiting for my little water bottle spray shit coming soon, bro. Don't even trip, we gonna figure that one out. With all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.